Configuring your settings in Filezilla. This demo assumes you already have Filezilla running on your computer and are connected to a remote server. Now let's learn how to configure our settings. Click Edit, then click Settings. This is the Settings window, where you can configure many things that will help you customize Filezilla for your own use. In the Connection section, you can adjust the maximum number of retries if a connection fails and the time between them. In the FTP section, you can select active or passive transfer modes or set the FTP proxy details. In the Transfer section, you can set the maximum number of simultaneous transfers and limits for concurrent downloads and uploads. You can also enable speed limits. You can set the default transfer type to auto, ASCII, or binary from the File Types section, and the File Exists action section allows you to tell Filezilla what to do in the event a download or upload file already exists. The Interface section is where you can set your preferred theme and layout, define the visual position of the logs, and modify the date and time format. You can set your default language, set your default file editor, and set how often Filezilla checks for updates. The Logging section allows you to create a log, while the Debug section is where you can define the level of debugging. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure your settings in Filezilla.